Water is an essential part of our daily lives. Water and wastewater service are responsible for optimally recirculating and protecting that water. Let's look at Yokogawa's solutions for the water and wastewater works, which is working with customers to create the water environments of the future. Yokogawa was founded in 1915. We developed Japan's first electronic meter, oscillograph, electronic recorder, and other measurement instruments. In 1975, we released the world's first distributed control system. Throughout our history, we've been a measurement and control pioneer. Yokogawa gained recognition around the world for process controls in applications where shutdowns are out of the question, such as in social infrastructure. Yokogawa products and solutions have been used by numerous countries and governments in their water and wastewater works, helping support customer business operations. Around the global water and wastewater works, they are being confronted with numerous issues. The water and wastewater works around the world have to respond to a wide range of challenges. Here, we introduce Yokogawa's 3 initiatives to address these issues and challenges. Water demand is forecast to rise due to population growth, so wide area coordination is required for the water and wastewater works. Information integration, centralizing information from diverse systems and devices, is an essential part of wide area coordination. Yokogawa uses the measurement technologies, open technologies, and information integration technologies it has developed through the years to integrate diverse equipment, control devices, and sensor information. It provides solutions for integrated management of raw water information for individual water systems. The data that is collected and combined in the cloud-based common platform can be used in a variety of ways, such as analysis at management center or monitoring via mobile devices. This enables rational, efficient operation. Given the limited pool of experienced water and wastewater field personnel, improving the efficiency of maintenance and inspection work is vital to deal with issues such as aging facilities and replacement delays. Yokogawa's wireless IoT solution for equipment management installs IoT sensors in equipment whose data previously could only be checked on site. This enables status monitoring from remote locations and helps make maintenance and inspection operations more efficient. The ISA 100 field wireless systems used for control data can leverage the features of wireless connectivity to continue operations even in the event of a disaster that damages power or transmission cables. It plays a critical role in the event of earthquakes or floods. In the future, Yokogawa will use this technology in its business continuity planning. Because of the limited number of highly skilled employees, digital technologies must be used to achieve highly efficient operation. One of these technologies is AI, artificial intelligence. With IA2IA, Yokogawa uses AI and digital twin technologies to move from automation, which requires human involvement, to autonomy, which only requires human monitoring. Digital twin technology can also be used to effectively pass on the know-how of experienced technical personnel. Simulators based on physical models. and simulators that provide virtual experiences assist our customers in effectively training technical personnel. We provide solutions that use robots and drones to assist with dangerous work and operations in locations that are inaccessible by human operators. We also provide systems that support field operations using AR and VR technologies. Yokogawa is carrying out a wide range of DX solutions. These solutions are helping solve the issues faced by water and wastewater works. Societies are changing dramatically, and water environments are becoming more important than ever. Yokogawa will continue to use its expertise to work with customers and create a sustainable future by developing the water environments of tomorrow.